Welcome back to Energy and Cleaning and Life Hacks. Trouble eating or drinking with these babies right here. I know we are up close and personal here today. You may have seen this floating around the internet where you take one mask and you just put it around your nose, such like this. I know this looks crazy. I have a better solution for you. And then the other one, you go like this, and then you do your eating. This is dumb. This is absolutely dumb, you guys. Or here's what people often will try to do. Have you ever tried to do this if you're in a place and they don't let you remove your mask? Depending upon what's going on, you're like putting it underneath your mask and you're just trying to get hydrated somehow. No, don't do either of those. By the way, welcome to the pantry. So this is what you want to do if you are persistent on wearing that face mask at all times, humanly possible. You're gonna get yourself a knife like this and you're just gonna make a slit across the top or the back, whichever direction that you prefer. And if you take a look here, I have a slight depending upon how big of a mouth that you have, and this is what you will do. Now you are ready to have all the fun that you want and feel protected while you eat. You can put anything inside of that pie hole. Now you may be saying to yourself, Andrea Jean, well, what do I do when I'm done eating? Well, in fact, a good friend of mine is a nurse. They are no longer allowed to wear these or the cloth masks. They have to wear N95 masks. What I would do is I would go ahead and double them up to begin with. So not only do you have more protection, but when you are ready to eat, you can just go ahead and put on your one mask just like this to make you feel better about what's coming in contact with your. All right, if you are wondering why you should be hanging these from your fan, I want you to click the video on screen now, give this video a thumbs up, sign up for the free weekly cleaning hack newsletter, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.